So in today's video we are going to discuss how to create this symbol. So how to create this symbol, so you can see this is the symbol of first letter of the Hebrew alphabet. So for creating this symbol you can use the keyboard shortcut in your computer. So you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you can follow go to your keyboard, and this keyboard you can see this the number lock key. So you must press this number lock. Now you have enabled the number lock. Now you can see alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8501. After typing 8501 you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that this symbol have been added. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.